Hey guys, today's video, let's learn how we can log into our Facebook account with Instagram. So first of all, you're gonna have to connect your Facebook with Instagram. So launch your Instagram application, get logged into your account, then select this three bar icon, go for accounts settings. Under connected experiences, you will see logging in with accounts. Tap onto it. If your accounts are not connected, then you may go ahead and connect it. In my case, I have already connected my Facebook account with my Instagram. So as you can see, I have one Facebook, one Instagram, and one page. It says can log in into this Instagram. Now likewise, you can also select this one. It says allow all accounts to log in. So simply select continue. You're gonna have to simply enter your password, and likewise, once you do so, you will be able to launch your Facebook. And when you're logging into your account, you may go ahead directly type in your Instagram credentials, and still it will work because now your Instagram and Facebook are connected. So guys, this is how it's done. Thank you for watching.